Hey everybody,
Hi, friends.
2020 has been a challenging year. Am I right?
It certainly has. Yeah, and it doesn't appear to be going anywhere anytime soon either.
No, and that is not something that is an easy thing to deal with. It might feel overwhelming, depressing, anxious making. People might be feeling burned
Burnt
out
out. Yes.
for sure, for
Yeah.
sure.
I know I was on Wednesday, actually.
Right?
Yeah,
We've all been there.
we've all been there.
Yeah, leading from the trenches here.
That's right.
Um,
So we've come up with a solution, or at least a salve for this problem. And I mean salve, SALVE. So we've come up with the renewretreat.ca. I'm Sydney. I'm a life coach and a yoga instructor.
And I'm Liz. I'm a business coach, a leadership coach, and life coach. So we are really super excited to be working together to put this thing out there. And really the where this all came from was this idea of trying to figure out how we live well despite all of the challenges that are going on in the world.
Yeah, that's right. So we have a full day planned of movement, meditation, inspiration, workshops. We hope to help you connect to yourself and help build you up so that you feel stronger and more resilient and ready to take on the last few months of the year. And then, of course, to help you move forward in all of this.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the day has really been planned around not just the actual sessions, the workshops that we're going to be offering, but also providing you with guidance on the in-between times so that you can really make this whole day something that is nourishing and gives you a sense of peace and calm. And one of the coolest things, I think, is that we get to teach you this in your own environment.
Yeah. So that we can all have a different experience of using these online platforms in a way that feels nourishing and fills you up and leaves you feeling rested and supported at the end of the day instead of depleted and empty.
Yeah. Yeah. Which, and let's face it, that is a way that we have all felt at some point through this whole experience of the last few months.
Yes.
So the Renew Retreat is happening October 17th.
Yes. And you can find out more information, or you can register by going to renewretreat.ca. And we really hope to see you there that day.
We do.